In Microsoft Edge, you have in private mode, which is basically the browser's version of incognito or private browsing mode. However, there is actually a way of disabling it. So if you're setting up someone's device and you don't want them using incognito or private mode, then you can just simply turn it off and it will no longer work in Edge. So how exactly do you do that? Well, you do it via the Registry Editor in Windows. So here's a step-by-step guide on what to do. First off, you want to actually launch the Registry Editor. The fastest way of doing that is just searching up the Registry Editor in Windows Search and then opening it up. Once you do, you want to navigate to this directory: Computer, HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, and Microsoft. It is going to be in the video description, so you can just copy and paste it. So once you've made it to the destination, what you're going to do is right click on the Microsoft key that you see on the left hand side. Once you've done that, you want to select New from this context menu, and then from this next context menu, you want to select the option Key. Once you do that, you see that a brand new key will be made in the list of keys on the left, and you want to rename it to Edge with a capital letter. Once you have created this key, what you're going to do next is right click on it. Then, just like before, you want to select New. But this time, instead of selecting key, you want to select the option DWORD 32-bit value. And then you see that in this main section of the Registry Editor, a new value will be added. So you want to select it and then rename this value to InPrivateModeAvailability. All one word, but with every word capitalized. Again, that is going to be in the video description. Once it has been created, what you want to do is double click on it, and there you want to change the value to 1. Once you have done that, you want to click on the OK button in that window, and it's going to close it and update the value. At that point, everything is set up. However, to actually apply these changes, you are going to have to restart your device. Once you've done it, if you go into Microsoft Edge, you will notice that the InPrivate mode is now grayed out and can no longer be clicked. If you ever want to undo it, then just simply go back and change the value to 0 or delete the key completely. So that is exactly how you can disable InPrivacy mode in Microsoft Edge. So hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.